água até para. Isso nós acabamos. Join me as I buy coconuts in a local market in Mozambique. So guys, I decided to show you guys where I was buying coconuts. So I thought of, making a video to show you guys how innovative this is. You can see how they grate their coconut. Very simple and easy. Like, it makes life very easy for me. Once I come to the market, like as you can see, I bought 4 pieces of coconut and it didn't take her up to 5 minutes. She grated the coconut neatly. So this is how we do it here in Mozambique. So I decided to show you. So continue watching.
Vai, 25, 4, 6, 6.
Arranjamos já?
Vai, 2, 5. Vai, 5. Daniel.
Obrigada, amiga.